Hello students, today we will see how to isolate specific microorganism by using specific media. First, we should know about the selective media. So selective media are used for the growth of only selected microorganism. Such media contain specific chemicals which do not affect the growth of the bacterium to be isolated but discourage the growth of other bacteria in the mixture. For example, addition of sodium azide at specific concentration into media selectively isolate lactic acid bacteria. The example of selective media are Picovascius agar media for isolation of Pseudomonas, Yama media, that means yeast extract penitol agar media for isolation of Rhizobium. So bacteria is a single cell prokaryotic organism. Bacteria fall into four functional groups. Most are decomposer that consume simple carbon compound such as root exudates and fresh plant litter. By this process, bacteria convert energy in soil organic matter into forms useful to the rest of the organism in the soil food web. A number of decomposer can break down pesticides and pollutant in soil. Decomposers are especially important in immobilizing or retaining nutrient in their cell, thus preventing the loss of nutrients such as nitrogen from the rooting zone. Second group of bacteria are the mutualists that form partnership with plant. The most well-known of these are nitrogen-fixing bacteria. The third group of bacteria is the pathogens. Bacterial pathogens include Zymomonas and Erwinia species and species of Agrobacterium that cause gall formation in plants. The fourth group called lithotrophs or chemoautotrophs, and they obtain its energy from compound of nitrogen, sulfur, iron or hydrogen instead of from carbon compound. Some of these species are important for nitrogen cycling and degradation of pollution. Next question is, what do bacteria generally do? That means what bacteria generally do. Bacteria from all four groups already mentioned perform important service related to water dynamic, nutrient cycling, and disease suppression. Some bacteria affect water movement by producing substances that help bind soil particle into small aggregates. Stable aggregates improve water infiltration and the soil's water holding ability. In a diverse bacterial community, many organisms will compete with disease causing organisms in roots and the above ground surface of plant. So these are some few important bacteria. One is nitrogen fixing bacteria. It form a symbiotic association with the roots of the leguminous crop like clover and trees such as elder. Visible nodules are created where bacteria infect a growing root hairs. The plant supplies simple carbon compound to the bacteria and the bacteria convert nitrogen from the air into a form of plant host can use. Second one is nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria changes ammonium to nitrite then into nitrate. a perform form of nitrogen for gases and most row crops. Nitrate is leached more easily from the soil, so some farmers use nitrification inhibitor to reduce the activity of one type of nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria are suppressed in forest soil so that most of the nitrogen remain as ammonium. Then another one is denitrifying bacteria. Denitrifying bacteria convert nitrate into nitrogen or nitrous oxide gas. Denitrifiers are anaerobic, meaning that means they are active where oxygen are absent, such as saturated soil or inside the soil aggregates. So these are some few important types of bacteria.